Morning, sixth grade. Okay, let's go. Current folder, attendance. Nice job yesterday. Y'all did that. I'm going to show you a couple of things. You're going to see here at the top, it's a final sketchbook portfolio cover design. We're going to talk about this on Thursday on how to actually turn in your project, but that is there. I keep getting people turning things into it, which shouldn't be happening because you're not done. So you got to really pay attention to where you're turning your work in, okay? When you're turning it into Schoology, you got to make sure you're clicking the right assignment. Go and look in Schoology before you go from to Notability, or just know where you need to go, okay? So today, week 3, September 22nd already, crazy. Attendance, as you know, let's go to to-do list and check it out. So yesterday we did 2 different transfer methods in class, and if you were at home, you worked on those at home. Now I know they might have been a little confusing, so if you need help with that, you need to let myself know, or if you're in school today and you're watching this, let Ms. Jones know. But yesterday we worked on that, and I'm going to show you something which might be helpful if you're a VLA kid. All right, today I can practice color theory and shade with Sharpies. So you're gonna have 2 things to work on today, okay? If you look here on number 2, it says Intro to Color Theory Vocabulary, and it says Visual Note-Taking. You are going to be watching a video on color theory, and you're gonna use a page in your sketchbook. You are going to label it Visual Note-Taking Color Theory, okay? It's right here. You're gonna label that. And you are going to take notes during that video, and I'll show you what I mean. Then you're going to do Technique Tuesday, which is shading with Sharpies, and there are 3 videos here to show you how to do that. So let's go into today. Sketchbook, remember, go back to daily sketches, and we have Technique Tuesday, Color Theory, and Sharpie, all right? So when you click through here, you're going to see practice different shading techniques using Sharpie. So you're going to watch this video first, okay? As you're watching this video, you are going to be taking what is called visual notes. Now, what that means is you're going to need to have your pencil or your pen ready. You're going to have your colors ready. And when you're done with that, we should see that you know the primary colors, you know the secondary colors. So when they bring stuff up on the video, so let me just push play here for a second.
Color. It plays a vital role in design and everyday life.
I'm gonna go ahead.
And blue and red make purple.
So you're gonna have a color wheel drawn on your paper, and when it's done, you can label it. You are going to...
It refers to intensity. In other words, whether the...
You're gonna have hue drawn and saturation, and what that means.
Color appears more subtle or hue. Just pick a spot on the color wheel and use your knowledge of saturation and value to create variations.
You would have a value scale, like right here, how they have a dark red to a light red, which is pink. So while you're watching this video, you're going to be taking notes. Okay, you are graded on your notes. They will be turned in on Friday at the end of the day. So make sure that, again, they're visual notes. This person over here is very systematic, and this person here is just very all over the page. So whatever works best for your brain. So that's step 1. Step 2, here's all the vocabulary here. Whoops, excuse me. Sorry, it's not letting me go back. There we go. When you're done with your notes and you see this slide, you should know what all these things mean. They should not be new to you. Next page in your sketchbook, you are going to practice Sharpie shading skills. And you do not have to draw the exact shapes here. I like to, because that's how I learn best, is by watching and doing exactly what they're doing, and then I can put it into action. But if you're I'm not drawing a flower, flowers are not my thing. Okay, cool, then draw little circles instead, and then do what she's doing. But there are 3 different videos, so you're going to watch those. And then we'll have some brain breaks of color during class, but you should watch these at home. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, today you are doing all about color theory and Sharpie blending. I hope y'all are doing well. Later.